baddest thing in a Spur Tree right now, chicken and from Texas. Yeah, man. Yes, yeah. Chef, buddy. How is your chef name?
Sharp man, chef name. You may big up yourself, you know what I mean?
Leverage, yeah. Mother leverage. Lot of leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Well, the leverage. Welcome back, guys, to Leverage Boss TV. You know, so your boy Eclips, and today episode, you don't know, so we are travel to Jamaica, and you see it in our description right now. We just go through security and we're going to look for the gate. So we look for G13, and right now we're over right here. So according to it, I say the gate I got there to the right. Yeah, man. So I go on people long time. Now we are jumping on the ground, and I'm just wanting to follow a journey. Today is not going to be a long one because multiple times y'all see me travel from Fort Lauderdale Airport to Jamaica. But I mean everything new, so yeah, it's a different time, you know. But yeah, so guys, share this experience with me, and that's where it goes. So Jamaica. Big up all the new subscribers them, and all the people that want watch it thing and I like up. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so take a prayer at the place.
Hello, I'm Broward County Mayor Nathan Rich. On behalf of the entire Broward County Commission, welcome to our Fort Lauderdale hub.
Welcome aboard Double Flight 253, service to settle on out of gate 748B. You're welcome aboard Flight 253.
Yeah, Leverage Nation.
Shopping to do. Plus, there is fun for the whole family across our 23 miles of beaches. Dine out at world-class restaurants. Take a ride on the water taxi. Stay at night with your iconic hard rock bar and tavern. Soccer fans can take you to Miami play at the
Yeah, there. G12, G13. What it look like? It look like the flight aboard already. Yeah.
This is a security advisory. For your safety, please do not leave luggage unattended. Unattended luggage will be removed and may be discarded. Do not accept or transport any luggage other than your own. Federal law prohibits the transport of any weapons through an airport security checkpoint. Transporting weapons through a security checkpoint may result in criminal prosecution. Do not leave vehicles unattended on the curb. Unattended vehicles will be promptly ticketed and towed at the owner's expense. Your safety is our business. Please help us help you. If you see something, say something. Report suspicious activity to the nearest law enforcement.
And Group E and Group F, both aboard Double Flight 253, service to settle on out of gate. Groups A, B, C, D, E, and F. Welcome aboard.
Alright, so Leverage Nation, I guess there was a slight delay. It was a 10-minute delay, but now them start line up again.
We are doing a biometric style boarding.
Them are the things I see there.
Right here. Then you step down into the blue circle and look into the camera. Once it says welcome on board, you'll be
You see, it's like a 10:30 flight, you know? Yeah. But them are doing thing right now. I don't know. I feel. Yeah, one of them later, but let's see how it goes. You know leverage.
Today's flight time is going to be 1 hour and 29 minutes over to Kingston. This is flight number 723 to Kingston. If Kingston is not in your destination time, please let the flight attendant know as soon as possible. Thank you.
Plane, Kingston, Jamaica, I think go. Security, you know? Sorry. That's a cool man. Hungry man. Right now, leverage nation. Hungry man. I eat nothing from man right now. I want to find the quickest thing out to do right now. But yeah, man, we are going to go through security and all them things. You know, and get back. So. We get back to when we want to reach outside. You see, that's a leverage. Jamaica right now. We just up on the road there, you know. Probably to St. Elizabeth, who knows? Yeah, man, but the flight was okay overall and thing. You know. Up on the road now still. So check it out. Leverage Nation. Yeah, man, so here we are, so now field package, so we are stop by a food place and see what we can consume and thing, and then we get back with it. You see me? Because I don't know we are driving and we don't want to drive and really too. Like right now I just me one, you know, so yeah, man, you know a leverage, man. Leverage Nation. So we're up on Spur Tree Hill right now. I'll get some jerk chicken up on Spur Tree Hill right now, look. Oh. The hill, on the beauty. Way down there, so. Right now, I just get some jerk chicken. Yeah. Oh, where's the jerk chicken spot? See how they are again. Oh, go on, General. Huh? Get half a chicken. Yeah. Give me half a chicken now. Huh? What's good? Yeah, get up now. Buy half a chicken there, so. Huh? Get up here there, so. Yeah, upon the Spur Tree Hills. You know, I think shell some chicken. Huh? Oh, you want to stay today? Yeah. I'm going to go up there. Yeah, come look where. Alright, that's all. Okay, respect. Yeah, Leverage Nation, so we are go up the stairs. Never know so they have on stairs, so you can get a better view of the place. See it there? Nice. Look all the way down there, so. Mad. I know every time I come here, so I never come up, never I know so them have the stairs to come up here. Yeah. Yeah, so the view, people. Spur Tree Hill with it. Right upon Spur Tree Hill, one nice jerk spot, and if you check it out, you see it? That's a leverage. Yeah, man, we have some chair where you can sit down. Yeah, man, like that view here. We out. Oh, we out there, sir? Alligator pan out there, sir.
Pull up the top of the hill, Lover's Leap.
Oh, them there on them, man. Hold on them. Lover's Leap. That's a Treasure Beach, though.
No.
On a Treasure Beach side, I live on Lover's Leap. Yeah, I'm thinking Treasure Beach. Oh, see, chef, yeah. Let's see, let me see something there. One bag of thing there on there. Quick get back down the chef. Cut off. In there, yeah, in there, man. Oh, I thought. Give me a light. Bad thing leveragation right now. How are your name? Huh? Oh, all season. Okay. Yeah, man. Upon all season. Spur Tree Hill. Baddest church in the yeah. Alright, now the photo now.
What is it?
Can I give you one man?
A long time. Why my boy him left for better? I press the deck.
I
I press.
Two of them in there.
Look at the company. One piece one. No.
Oh, them yeah. Ketchup and
Jerk sauce off it, man.
Where you going from?
They're jerk sauce.
Huh?
oh, probably fuck them.
Oh,
So I
yeah.
was sending like a postal spot.
Hey, you want to get 5 phone, yeah?
Huh?
You said, you want to go out there?
Oh, I forgot. Wait, which channel?
You just tell me that today. Where club is, yeah, the two shopping.
Oh, yeah. Leverage Boss TV. Just a start growing channel, you know? Yeah.
I nobody come out and they think or something, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
So you just know me, I feel a couple of things to you.
Yeah, man. They said, man, because that I swing now, you know. That's it.
No speed off, you know.
It's bad leverage nation. Yeah, man.
Take that man.
Baddest thing in a Spur Tree right now. Chicken from Texas. Yeah, man. That's it. Yeah. Chef, buddy. How is chef name?
Shark man, chef there, you may big up yourself, you know what I mean?
Alright.
You know, saying, tell me capacity, I see tap of some jerk, walk into the chicken. Restaurant there, I see a man, I think you don't know. I understand. You say, alright man, can capacity to beat the man.
That is it. Right now, make that jerk chicken a 10 out of 10. It's bad. Just come on all season when I reach a Spur Tree. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Leverage, leverage, leverage. We get back into reach our next destination. That's it. Alright, that. Yeah, Leverage Nation, we love just left all seasons. Jerry chicken bad, me I tell you right now. We have more to consume right now. See later. That. You see me? Bad chicken. Yeah man. Anytime when I reach pan Spur Tree Hill man, pan top of the hill man. Well not middle part. All seasons. Look out for that man. Bad. So yo. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Right now we are touchdown in our St. Alright. That's the leverage right now. Traffic. Watch it. Data leverage. Yeah, like me I say Leverage Nation, we just step on Spur Tree in the traffic. And the food, delicious. Delicious, nice. Can taste all the flavor them in the chicken, you see me? Yeah man. So we're there right now. I exit down from Spur Tree Hill right now. Yeah. See it there? Oh, we have a little traffic right now, so I have to keep my eye on the road and see where I go on. So you will know that is it for the jerk chicken on Spur Tree Hill all season. Check it out. Chef bad, respect to the chef too, you see it? Yeah man, that is it man. You know Leverage. Until next time, you know?